Hello, everyone. Welcome to another subtraction strategy. So in this subtraction strategy, this is what we call place value. So you will need your piece of paper and something to write with. And we are going to use the same numbers we've been working with. So 67,841. And we are going to subtract or take away 3,206. So the place value strategy, the first thing we want to do is we want to expand both of our numbers. So we want to put both of these numbers into expanded form. So on your paper, you can write this, or if you want to pause the video and work ahead, that is completely fine. I am going to expand 67,841. So I have 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 1. Now I have expanded that number, so then I need to expand the number I am going to be taking away from it. So subtract 3,000 plus 200 plus 6. All right, I have expanded that number. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these expanded numbers and I'm going to subtract them from each other, just the normal way you would normally subtract in almost like standard algorithm. So I am going to line these up: 60,000, 7,000, 841. All right. And then I'm going to take my smaller number away, and I want to make sure I line up those like place values. So with 3,000, I wouldn't put it underneath the 60,000 because that number goes into the 10,000s place. So I want to make sure I put the 3,000 under the 7,000 because those are both that have the largest place value in the thousands place. So then my 200, I don't have anything in my tens place, so you could put a 0 if you wanted, or you don't have to put anything. And then 6. All right. So now I am ready to subtract. So if I have 1 minus 6, you're probably thinking, well, if I have 1, I can't take 6 away from that. So if you are comfortable with negative numbers, that would actually leave you with a negative 5. Okay. 40 minus 0 is 40. 800 minus 200 is going to be 600. 7,000 minus 3,000 leaves you with 4,000. And 60,000 minus nothing is still 60,000. All right. So this gives us our answer in expanded form. So anywhere that you didn't have a negative number, you are going to put your plus sign in between there. So then that leaves us with 64,600. But then what we have to pay attention to is right here, because we wouldn't say 45 because we had a negative number here. So we actually need to think, well, 40 minus 5 leaves us with 35. So that is going to be what we put down here. And that leaves us with our final answer of 67,841 minus 3,206 is 64,635.